in there pretty good. I gave it a little tug and it's solid AF.
Fuck.
Yeah, I better take a video for the gram.
That's right. Okay, so that's ready to go. The rubber cement.
Rubber cement.
All right.
I don't know if you'll need the rubber cement.
Jeff's might be better to pull it.
See?
Nailed it. It's a big old nail.
That is a big old fucking nail.
Holy.
So now we're just getting her all bored out good. All right, here. Rubber cement me. Sorry, Brody. Thanks, bud.
That's a big fucking nail. What's that, a 4-inch?
Like, where the fuck was that thing? Like, what would we have driven over?
Steve got a railway spike when we went out.
A railway spike?
A big fucking railway spike.
Oh, get the fuck in there. Jesus Christ.
Going?
Okay. Now I'm supposed to give this one big pull out.
Yep.
Yeah!
Nice.
Let's fucking eat.
You got a lighter?
Yeah. Really? You light it on fire? What's up for?
I don't know. Jeff told me to do it.
It just melts the end of it really good, but I don't know if you need to.
You know, just let her simmer. No big deal.
Fixed.
Chestnuts roasting on an open fire.